Handsome. Tiny, I have no toilet paper.
Sorry.
Thank you, Bubba.
Oh man. That's why you got me up.
How are you, Tiny?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, let's go have breakfast. Always on the phone. Whoa. They are spying on us. Oh, so little. So cute. Oh, the little babies are so little. This is Chupirito. You're so little. Little business. Come on. Good. Go. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. Oh, shit. I left the lights on. So in the mornings, I usually love opening up all the windows. I like to see light. Usually our kitchen obviously is not that clean. We try our best. So yeah, that is the reality. Bubba, what are you feeling today?
Show you all on a meme.
When your alarm goes off and you have to go to work because you didn't die in your sleep. Oh my God. True. Just kidding.
Meow.
Ooh, Jupiter always likes to get pet, but Dennis never pets him.
No.
That's what he does to me.
He pooped inside yesterday and our Roomba drove over.
I know, I already told them. Usually in the morning I'm pretty thirsty, so I drink water and lemon.
Usually you're always.
I'm not in the mood for hot water today, so I'm just gonna do lukewarm water. I'm just gonna do temperature water.
What is temperature water?
This. I'm gonna add my lemon in there. It's kind of weird to record everything that I do in the morning. I'm almost like trying to think about it.
You're the one that decided on doing this.
I know that.
I was told yesterday.
Stop. Yes, because I knew you wouldn't want to film it. That's why I told you yesterday.
No, because I'd be more prepared.
For what? Exactly. You're not supposed to be prepared.
No, instead of filming on a stupid phone, you film.
Alright, so this usually happens in the morning. There's a little bit of back and forth. There you go. If Dennis could, he would have coffee every single morning.
I will have coffee. Okay.
We have to feed Jupiter. Usually we make him soup, but today I'm giving him this.
Don't just have fruits.
I want fruits today.
Real morning routine.
I know. Okay, fine. I'll have this with an avocado toast.
This is my breakfast, a piece of cheese.
Honestly, if it wasn't for me, Dennis would eat cheese all day, probably, because I cook you food. You want to do the cheese challenge?
The heck?
Bubba, don't you dare. Alright, so this is usually what Jupiter eats.
Usually?
Oh my God! Get over it! I never explained my morning routine, okay? Jupiter, sit. Good boy, that's what's up, baby. Our breakfast time.
So this is.
I know what you're gonna say.
This is Mrs. Farce. This isn't
Farce?
true. She does not eat that little. Look.
I usually do eat a bowl like this, but
Massive.
I don't eat it all.
Ew.
I leave it, so I decided I wanted this, and now he's calling
We've been
me
married for over a year and a half. This is the first time you get the
I realized.
You're not even gonna eat the date. You're gonna eat the pit. That's how little you're eating.
It's gonna be enough. You just watch. I mean,
This is a real morning routine.
It is. Oh my God.
Okay,
Okay, I just wanted to mention how Dennis would never have oatmeal when we first started dating
true, yeah.
or going out, and you would never eat dates either, and now you're all about it, so.
What does that even matter?
I
It's the
changed.
healthy
Just
option, okay?
Cheers.
Oh my God, it's so salty.
It's so salty, Bubba. How much salt did you add?
I added a little bit. At the end.
Waiting for scraps of food to fall.
Look.
Hi, Bubba.
It's not Friday.
It's not. This is an old episode, I guess. Every single morning, I like to put on the real. And Dennis always is like, but he still sings the song with me and watches it with me because he secretly likes it. Don't let another man fight. This is our time. So usually after breakfast, we come up here and lay in bed for a little bit. Now we must shower. Dennis and I are married, so we shower together.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
Real morning routine.
Okay, Dennis is denying that we shower. Sorry if you guys think that's gross, if some of you, but I am married and I love
It's
showering
not
with
always.
you. I've recently been using this dry brush, so right before getting into the shower, I just brush Also, I want to show you guys. Dennis got me this really great shower cap. Well, I had been looking for a shower cap for some time because the one I had wasn't awesome. And so he got me the Supreme one.
Why are you so close to me?
Alright, you guys, welcome to my makeup room. I got some avocado toast, thank God. So good. I've been loving this thing I got at Kiehl's because I purchased a bunch of stuff, so then they just gave me a little jade roller. It makes my skin feel so fresh. And because it's so cold, I just feel like it removes inflammation since I really am just massaging my face. A lot of makeup, a lot of stuff. Matter of fact, I should do a little makeup giveaway. All you have to do is go over to my Instagram, be sure that you're following me on there, and then go on this picture and tag 2 friends. I'm gonna be picking from the comments in a week, and I will post it on my Insta story. Hold on. So Dennis just left. Sometimes he leaves before me, sometimes he leaves after me to the studio. I try to decide what I'm gonna wear today. I posted this picture on Instagram and you guys really liked the fit, and it's sad because I didn't style it. It was actually Dennis. So I feel like I'm just gonna re-wear that. Fit of the day, hey. Trick cute, very comfy. I recently had surgery. This Wednesday is actually gonna be my 1 month. Kind of dabbled on it on my Instagram. I've also dabbled on it on the community post. Still trying to find the words to really explain it. And I'm happy everything turned out okay, right baby? I've been taking a 1 month off, pretty much break. I've just been taking time for, you know, to heal, like internally, to process, to also heal externally as well. So, mi marito, he's so cute to me. I can't take it. Always wear your seatbelt, kids. So every single time before I leave, I actually call my cousin Liza.
Are you going to Earth Fair?
I was just about to tell you, yes. So I'm about to arrive at Earth Fair, which is where I usually get my groceries. I love cooking. I don't know if you guys are like that. Here's my grocery list. I just got back from grocery shopping. I'm about to make some delicious food. I could cook all day long. Oh my God, you guys, this looks so amazing. My homemade orange chicken. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit different than what I normally do, more of a vlog style. I personally had so much fun showing you guys just like a different light of what my life is like. Not so much with like the lights and everything, but more so just like what my life is really like, right baby? If you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you would like to see a nighttime routine, comment below and maybe I would do that next. If you're more into like the aesthetic looking morning routines, then also let me know. I'm curious to do what you guys want to see. And yeah, I love you guys. If you're not a part of the family, please be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. And if you haven't connected with me over on Instagram and Twitter, I love to get a little DM from you. I always am replying and sending you guys fun little videos. So I want to wish you an amazing day, and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Oh, peace to the world for generations. Bye, Jupiter. Bye.
In case you missed it, Outie Squad memberships are now live. Oh my gosh, I invite you to join our exclusive squad by hitting the join button down below. If you don't see it, you can also check it out in the description down below. It's pretty much a secret club where you're going to be unlocking so many secrets to my life, sisterhood with Rosalina, very personal Q&As, live streams monthly, pictures that you've never before seen, videos that you've never before seen, and pretty much just sneak peeks into the next chapter of Rosalina's life, my life, some merch discounts, and content made specially just for you. If you guys are interested, all you gotta do is click that little join button down below or the link in the description. Love you guys.